Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to Economics Explorer, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of economics and finance. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to start investing in the stock market. If you've ever wondered how to grow your money and take advantage of financial opportunities, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Investment basics. Before diving into the world of stock market investing, it's important to understand some basic concepts. Let's begin by defining what a stock is and how stock markets work. What is a stock? A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder and are entitled to a portion of the company's profits and participate in decision-making processes. Stock market. Stock markets are where stocks are bought and sold. The most well-known ones include the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and the London Stock Exchange. These are the places where investors can trade shares of different companies, risks, and rewards. Before investing, it's essential to understand the risks and rewards. Investments in the stock market can generate profits, but there's also a possibility of losses. The key is to diversify and understand that long-term investment reduces risks. Preparing to invest. Now that we understand the basics, let's properly prepare for investing in the stock market. Here are a few steps to follow before making your first investment. Set your financial goals. Define your financial goals. Are you saving for a home? Are you securing your retirement? Setting clear goals will help determine how long you're willing to invest and what strategy to follow. Learn about different investment types. Research and learn about different investment types such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, exchange, traded funds, and options. Understanding the characteristics of each will allow you to diversify your investment portfolio and tailor it to your needs and goals. Know your risk profile. Evaluate your risk tolerance. Each person has a different level of risk aversion, and it's important to know yours to choose suitable investments. Risk profiles range from conservative to aggressive. Create a budget and invest regularly. Create a solid budget to ensure a steady flow of money for investing. Additionally, establish a plan to invest regularly, even in small amounts. Discipline and consistency are key in investing. Educate and update your financial knowledge. Financial education is crucial for making informed decisions. Read books, follow specialized blogs and channels, attend seminars, and take courses related to stock market investing. Stay updated on trends and economic events that may affect the markets. Making your first investment. Now that you're ready and have done your research, it's time to make your first investment. Here are some practical tips to get started. Open a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account with a reputable financial institution. Research and compare fees, services, and investment tools offered by different brokers. Make sure to choose one that fits your needs and budget. Perform fundamental and technical analysis. Before investing in a specific company, perform fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves studying the financial fundamentals of a company, such as its revenue, earnings, debts, and growth prospect. Technical analysis is based on historical price patterns and can help identify trends in buying or selling opportunities. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different companies, sectors, and even countries. Consider diversifying among different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Regularly monitor your investments. Keep a regular track of your investments. Review your positions, read financial reports, and stay informed about market changes. This will allow you to make informed decisions and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to start investing in the stock market. Remember that investing is an exciting journey, but it also requires patience, discipline, and continuous education. Don't be afraid to start even with small investments and always seek to learn more. At Economics Explorer, we'll be here to accompany you on your financial journey. Until next time, and best of luck with your investments.